Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
Good, beta. Tell me yesterday till where we have like completed the chapter.
Ma'am, we have completed whole chapter, ma'am. We just have to do question, answer, and exercise.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Tanishka. Good morning. Fine. So keep your books open, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, today we will do our question.
Yes, today we will do question answers of chapter 7 that we completed yesterday, right? But before we start with the class, let me take your attendance. So who is going to start with the exercises?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Like some students are marking their present on WhatsApp and not are coming in the Zoom meeting, so they will be marked present or.
No, they will be marked absent. Those who are not joining the meeting, what is the fun of putting present for them? Very simple. See, yesterday your class teacher had written something.
मैं आपको एक केस बताऊं?
बताइए.
मैम वो अदनान है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
मैम उसने पहले जब हाफ ईयरली से पहले मुझसे एक सब्जेक्ट का काम मांगा, साइंस का। मैंने जैसा एक ही का चाहिए होगा, साइंस के 2 चैप्टर भेज दिए उसने, तो मैम सारे मांगे थे।
हाँ.
मैम
तो
मुझसे ही
मैम वो
मैम
धीरे
अदनान ने
धीरे
मैम सारे चैप्टर्स मांगे थे।
हाँ, तो वो हमसे भी मांगते हैं
मैम,
बेटा.
तो धीरे धीरे और मांगने लगा।
हाँ, वो क्लासेस
और
अटेंड ही नहीं
मैम
करता
मैंने
है.
दिए नहीं, तो मैम जब भी एग्जाम होता था
हाँ.
मैम इतना दुखी करता था, आंसर्स बता दो, आंसर्स बता दो।
अरे
मैम एक बार
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
एक बार उसने मेरे साथ क्या किया, पहले मैम उसने संस्कृत का काम मांगा। मैंने कहा कि मैं संस्कृत में नहीं हूँ, तो फिर वो कह रहा तो फ्रेंच का दे दो।
ओ माय गॉड, मतलब किसी भी चीज का दे दो, पर दे दो है.
यस मैम।
Ma'am, he asked from me for English literature. Ma'am, from first chapter till ma'am, we are in the middle of the book. We have done most of the chapter, and ma'am, he is asking from chapter 1 to that.
This is what, no beta, there are students, those who are not attending the classes, neither they understand what the teacher is trying to tell. They don't want to attend classes, they simply want to have everything ready made served to them. That's it. Chaliye, who is starting with the exercises? Rishabh, you will start the exercises.
मैम आई एम फाइंडिंग द आंसर्स।
Okay, very good. Others, those who are there, those who know the answers, they can start. Yes, who will tell the answers, beta?
Ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, beta, Rishabh.
First one, marginalized groups are denied right and access to resources and generally pushed out to the, ma'am, option C is right, ma'am, out of town limits.
Okay, it is option C. Just a moment. No, it is periphery. Marginal groups are denied rights and access to resources and generally pushed to the periphery.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, periphery. Option D is the correct answer for this.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, beta, quickly your attendance. Aryan Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Ilma. We have Rishabh, Daksh. Then we have
Present, ma'am.
Kumar Parth.
Present.
Then we have Siddhi.
Present, ma'am.
We have Yashraj Raghuvanshi. We have Vanshika
Present,
Sharma.
ma'am.
Vanshika is there.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Vanshraj Gill? He's not there. Then we have Tanishka.
Ma'am, present.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, only 8 students are there. 9th one is your teacher, right? Okay. Here we go with the exercise. Second one, who will tell? Aryan?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Rishabh.
ma'am, the second one is dash are also called Adivasis. Ma'am, the option B is right, scheduled tribes.
The scheduled tribes are also called as Adivasis. Very good. Then we have
Ma'am, the
third. Yes, third one. Who will
ma'am,
tell?
third one, ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes, beta, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Which of these is not a marginalized community? Ma'am, the answer is Adivasis.
दोबारा से सोचो. Which one of these is not a marginalized community?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Kuparth.
Ma'am, these are Brahmins.
Yes, Brahmins are not marginalized communities, no?
Okay,
Rishabh?
ma'am.
हाँ. चलो, next is over a period of time, the caste system became
Non-existent.
Ma'am,
no.
ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Ma'am, rigid.
it became rigid. Option A, rigid. We have 2 more people in the class, Anushka Gupta and Bhavya Dikshit. Anushka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya? Has Bhavya joined? चलिए. Then next, beta, do I need to repeat the answers of the exercises?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all have marked no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. That's great. Next, fill in the blanks. Siddhi will tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am. The Indian Constitution recognized the Shudras as scheduled tribes.
Ma'am, can I?
Indian Constitution recognized the Shudras as scheduled castes. Siddhi, scheduled castes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Scheduled caste.
ठीक है. Siddhi corrected. Next. Second one. Second one, who will tell, beta? Women lost their rights to education and
Ma'am, jobs.
no, and subjected to humiliation. Subjected to humiliation. Write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Write it down.
Ma'am, can I tell third one?
Yes. Third one, tell.
Ma'am, the dash refers to a group of people who are numerically less in a country or an area. Ma'am, it is marginalization.
No.
Ma'am, minorities.
Minorities. Very good. Very good, Rishabh. First, second, and third done. All have marked.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Dash threatens the physical and mental well-being of the affected people.
Ma'am, access to healthcare.
No. Marginalization, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, हमने last paragraph पढ़ा था chapter का that marginalization tends to push people to mental and illness, mental health and physical illness.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलिए. Coming to the true false. Bhavya, are you there, beta? Bhavya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Will you be telling the answers of true false?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first one, social justice is needed for marginalized people.
पढ़ो.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, I think it's false.
Do you really think it is false? It should be true, beta. Social justice is needed for marginalized people.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Right? Next one.
Ma'am, the practice of apartheid is an example of social justice. Ma'am, I think this is false.
This is false. And what should be the correct answer?
Apartheid is an example of social justice.
This chapter is about what?
Ma'am, this chapter, marginalization.
Yes. So practice of apartheid is an example of marginalization, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. If anybody else. Tanishka, would you like to try? Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one, would you like to try?
Okay, ma'am. Marginalized groups rarely face poverty.
Is it true or false?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait. Bolo Tanishka.
I think this is, ma'am, this is true.
No, it is false. Beta, Anushka, it is page 294. We are doing the exercises of chapter 7 that we have finished yesterday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes, Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Marginalized group rarely face poverty. Ma'am, it is false. Ma'am, they face poverty.
They do face poverty. Okay? Chalo. Done?
Ma'am, 2 are left.
Means first 3 are done. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, who will answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes.
Before the advent of the British rule, the tribes led a life free from interference of the kings and empire. Ma'am, it is true.
True, very good. There was no interference in the life of the tribals before the coming of the British rule. Advent matlab
British.
before the coming of the British. Next, fifth one.
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, can I?
true.
Yes, it is true. The marginalized communities are denied basic facilities of life. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, question answer.
Ma'am, question answer.
Yes, beta, bolo Vanshraj.
Ma'am, what is the fourth one?
Fourth one, Siddhant, is true. Done?
Yes.
Chaliye, coming to the short answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Who will tell the answer? Ilma, आप हो बेटा यहाँ पे? Ilma, are you there? Beta Ilma. Ilma beta. इल्मा बेटा बताओ। Ilma? Ilma, are you there? Left the meeting. Okay, very smart. Huh? चलिए, Vanshaj Gill, will you answer the question? Vanshaj?
Can I tell?
Yes, Siddhant, बताओ बेटा।
Ma'am, marginalized refers to the social process of becoming or being made marginalized or being not accepted by the society at large and being devoid of any meaningful participation in the society.
You can simply write that to be marginalized means to push someone to the margins or periphery of the society. It refers to the social process of becoming or being made marginal. This is given on page 290 class.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 290, understanding marginalization, 7th line, 6th line. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji Parth.
Ma'am, can you tell ma'am till where we have marked, ma'am, after periphery of the society?
From marginalization, that is written in bold.
Okay.
Marginalization refers to the social process of becoming or being made marginal.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? Marked. Done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the next this thing.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell beta.
Yes, ma'am. The communities that have faced marginalization in India, ma'am, these are scheduled caste, SC, scheduled tribes, ST, and other backward classes, OBC, minorities and women's. Ma'am, like
Yes,
this.
women अपने आप में plural होता है ना बेटा. The marginalized communities that have faced the communities that have faced marginalization in India are scheduled tribes, scheduled caste, women, minority, right?
Marked.
Marked. Very good. Next, who were
Ma'am,
considered?
next, may I?
Yes, Bhavya.
No, ma'am, I was saying, may I tell next one?
Yes. Tell answer, beta. Tell third one answer. No problems.
Okay. Ma'am, the lower caste were considered as polluting and were treated as untouchables because of the nature of their jobs.
It is given on page 290, right hand side, last paragraph. The lower castes were considered as polluting and were treated as untouchables because of the nature of their jobs. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
once again ask one thing.
Yes, beta, pucho.
Ma'am, on that time, how people can decide that, ma'am, on the basis of job, their caste, and ma'am, that they are not at their level?
बेटा वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो लोग साफ सफाई का काम करते थे, है ना, गंदगी उठाने इन सब का काम करते थे, इसलिए उनको लगता था कि ये हमारे बराबर ही नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
चलिए नेक्स्ट. Who will answer the next question?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Siddhi. Who are the Adivasis?
Okay, ma'am. Who are Adivasis? I'm on page number 291. First para, scheduled tribes. India, in its vast diversity, is a home to a number of tribal societies. These tribal people are known as Adivasis.
ठीक है. The tribal people are known as Adivasis. Very good. All have marked? Have you all marked?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
चलिए next. Why did the caste system? Who did the caste system benefit? $50 to 70 वर्ड्स का आंसर है बेटा, बताइए.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, we have to tell the points how it is benefited, or ma'am, for whom it is benefited.
How it is benefited and to whom it is more benefited.
Ma'am, if ma'am, whom it is benefited, ma'am, then we can give the example, ma'am, a scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes.
No,
And
no, you are wrong. कास्ट सिस्टम से ये बेनिफिट होते हैं क्या? इनको तो मार्जिनलाइज कर दिया जाता है ना बेटा, कास्ट सिस्टम की वजह
Yes,
से.
ma'am.
हाँ.
but ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Hmm.
Sorry.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
I
yes.
got my something wrong.
हाँ, this is what. कोई बात नहीं. आप बताओ इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है?
Ma'am, who did the caste system benefit, ma'am? Ma'am, who are of upper classes like ma'am, the Brahmin, and ma'am, how they are benefited as they made the ma'am rules that ma'am they can't do ma'am they can't come and stand with us, and ma'am they are not, we can't touch, so ma'am like these, and they don't want to go also there, ma'am, on their houses and like that.
What we can write over here is, you are right, very good, but then a little modification is required here. What we can do is, the biggest, it is given on page 290, we can write, the biggest form of social inequality in India is the caste system. This social division was based on occupations and was fourfold, comprising the Brahmins, the Kshatriyas, and the uh, Vaishyas and the Shudras. Right? Over a period of time, these varnas came to denote castes. Then, this arrangement, under this arrangement, the Brahmins and the Kshatriyas acquired the status of upper caste. Right? Is it clear and
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
This much you need to do. Okay. I hope you
Ma'am,
all have.
once again, can you ma'am,
Repeat.
once again, can you repeat? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
I'm
got
repeating.
the ma'am points, but ma'am, if you can repeat, then ma'am,
I'm repeating. Page 290. Page 290. Scheduled castes. The biggest form of social inequality in India is the caste system. 1 point. Next point. This social division was based on occupations and was fourfold, comprising the Brahmanas, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas, and the Shudras. Over a period of time, these varnas came to denote castes. The castes gradually became hereditary. Under this new arrangement, the Brahmanas and the Kshatriyas acquired the status of upper castes. Marked?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, then what about Vaishyas and Shudras?
They were the lower castes.
So ma'am, in this ma'am, we don't have to write this, ma'am,
No, you don't
Vaishyas
have
and
to,
Shudras.
because they are asking who benefited from the caste system. So it was the
Okay, ma'am.
Brahmanas and the Kshatriyas who benefited from the caste system that was practiced, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Next answer. How were the women in Indian society marginalized?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta. Bhavya, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, women who enjoyed equal status as men in old times became victim of social discrimination.
This will be
In
your
earlier,
no.
yes, ma'am.
Then next.
Okay.
Next point.
Yes, ma'am. In earlier times, women had participated freely in the political sphere and enjoyed a respectable position in the family and society. No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, may I tell again?
Yes, come again. No problems.
Ma'am, women who enjoyed equal status as men in old time became victim of social discrimination. Ma'am, this can be the first point. And ma'am, the second point can be they were pushed out of social representation and confined to their household. Second point. And ma'am, third point, their right to property and inheritance was taken away. And ma'am, fourth point can be social custom like parda and dowry were created,
Very
which
good.
undermine the position of women.
Women. हाँ, very good. Then
Yes, ma'am.
birth of a daughter
Then-
came to be seen as an unfavorable event.
Seen as an unfavorable event. Ma'am, I think this.
Then, and you can add one more point. Freedom of choice in matters of marriage or finance was denied to women. Freedom
Yes,
of
ma'am.
choice. Okay. These many points I think are more than sufficient. Fine.
Ma'am, one more thing I want to ask.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, why ma'am people think ma'am that ma'am women are ma'am मतलब ma'am लड़कियां ma'am बोझ हैं?
बेटा वो इसलिए ना, वो इसलिए देखो आप ये देखो कि जब एक लड़की पैदा, ऐसा लोगों का मानना था कि भाई जब लड़की पैदा होती है उसको पाल पोस के माँ बाप बड़ा करते हैं, पर फिर उसको शादी करके कहीं और जाना होता है, और जब शादी करते हैं तो उसके लिए डाउरी देनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे, पहले के टाइम में डाउरी की प्रैक्टिस जो है बहुत ज्यादा लार्ज स्केल पे चलती थी। आज की डेट में तो लड़के लोग इतने समझदार हैं, फैमिली समझदार है, दे डोंट आस्क फॉर डाउरी, दहेज नहीं मांगते हैं। बट पहले के टाइम पे लोग ये कहते थे कि भाई आपकी बेटी हमारे घर शादी करके आ रही है तो आप अपनी बेटी को फैसिलिटीज तो दोगे ही ताकि वो सुखी रह सके। तो इनडायरेक्टली वो ये कहते थे कि आप हर वो चीज दो जो आपको लगता है आपकी बेटी की खुशियों को दुगना कर देगी, मटीरियलिस्टिक चीजें जो होगी। तो पर फोर्स जो है पेरेंट्स को, अगर भले ही वो विलिंग हो चाहे ना विलिंग हो, अनविलिंगनेस और विलिंगनेस दोनों के तहत जो है दे हैड टू गिव दी डाउरी। ठीक है। और ये भी इसलिए भी होता था क्योंकि पहले के जमाने में लड़कियों को पढ़ाया नहीं जाता था, तो उन्हें लगता था कि भाई हमारी लड़की को कोई शादी करके लेके जाएगा तो उसको हमें इतना वो देना है जिससे कि वो हमारे बच्चे को आराम से अच्छे से रख सके। बट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है चेंज हुए हैं बेटा। ठीक है। आज की डेट में, हाँ, आज की डेट में हार्डली पीपल आस्क फॉर डाउरी। Okay, it has changed in the sense that now people are asking for a girl who is into job. उन्हें लगता है कि भाई जॉब कर रही है तो डाउरी अपने आप आ जाएगी, मतलब वो जो कमा के लाएगी वो उसका उसके लिए डाउरी हो जाएगा, डाउरी अमाउंट हो जाएगा। तो बहुत सारे बहुत सारे पर्सपेक्टिव्स जो है वो चेंज हुए हैं, बट अच्छे के लिए तो खैर नहीं हुए हैं, पर फिर भी ये है कि कुछ चीजें इनसे काफी हद तक बेटर हो गई हैं। ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
वेरी गुड। दिस आंसर ऑल हैव मार्क्ड?
यस मैम।
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट वन, why were the tribal communities marginalized? Why were the tribal communities marginalized?
Ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tribal society were respected for their in-depth knowledge of the forest and its resources and were left alone by the kings and the empires. But this changed during the British rule in India. Forest areas inhabited by the tribals were taken over by the British government for mining or industries, leaving them homeless. The displaced tribes were forced to enter the mainstream society, which did not accept them readily, as their customs, language, rituals, and religious beliefs varied greatly.
Varied.
Okay, varied greatly
from theirs. ये
Yes,
फॉर्म
ma'am.
गलत है बेटा, FORM नहीं होगा, FROM होगा ये। ठीक है। from theirs.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Only this much point?
Yes, ma'am, only this much.
No, one more point you need to add. Lacking education and socially acceptable mannerisms, they were considered as misfit in the society and hence were pushed towards the lower ends of the social order. हमें पूछा बता रहा है ना, हमें ये बताना है कि कैसे ये marginalized उसमें जो है उनको push कर दिया गया.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Can you repeat the whole answer again?
Okay, ma'am. Tribal societies were respected for their in-depth knowledge of the forest and its resources and were left alone by the kings and the empires. But this changed during the British rule in India. Forest areas inhabited by the tribals were taken over by the British government for mining or industries, leaving them homeless. The displaced tribes were forced to enter the mainstream society, which did not accept them readily, as their customs, language, rituals, and religious belief varied greatly from there.
Okay.
Lacking education and socially acceptable mannerism, they were considered a misfit in the society. I'm done.
ठीक है. This much you
Ma'am.
got right. Yes, Parth.
Ma'am, as in this, ma'am, it was written, ma'am, scheduled tribes know more about forest and ma'am plants. So, ma'am, ma'am, the people who are living in village and cities, ma'am, though they know less than tribe, ma'am, those who are there.
No, actually, the tribals, those who are there, they know more about the forest products because they have been born and brought up there in the forest regions. So they have more knowledge of the forest areas, the type of plant, the medicinal value of the plants than anything else. That is why it is said over here like this.